Hello guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Supreme Duelist Stickman app. You will click on settings. Here in this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings, and above you can search about Supreme Duelist Stickman. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.